How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Patriot DIY channel. Today is going to be a very good day because today I'm getting a new table saw. Now, I have loved my skill. I think this is the best entry-level table saw you can get on the market, especially if you have like a $500 budget. This thing comes in right around $300 and it is awesome. It's done everything I needed it to do for 2 years. But now it is time to upgrade. Now I want you guys to stop right now and comment down below, what saw do you think I'm going to get? All right, guys, we're all loaded up. Let's get this thing home. Well, I got a saw stop. That's right, guys. I went over to the dark side and I broke down and got a SawStop professional cabinet saw. Does that make me an elitist woodworker? I don't know. I don't think so. I know this is a major jump up from the job site skill table saw that I had before, and I did love that saw, but I needed an upgrade. And really, I considered a lot of different saws before settling on the SawStop. I looked at the Delta, I looked at Laguna, I looked at Harvey. All of those have their merits and would have been great upgrades to the skill that I had before, but ultimately my decision came down to one major factor: these little guys right here. As I started looking at more professional table saws and as they started going up in price, I always had that little question of safety in the back of my mind. And I just couldn't shake the feeling that if I wait a little bit longer and I save a little bit more, I can get an awesome, high quality table saw that'll also protect me from losing my fingers. And I know there's no substitute for good technique and things like that, but if there's a way to help me make sure I'll be a little bit safer, I'm gonna do it. So the saw I got is the 1 3/4 horsepower SawStop PCS. This is the 36-inch version with the T-Glide fence system. And I'm not going to do a full review of this thing. There are a ton of those already out there on YouTube. You guys already know that SawStop is a top-of-the-line table saw, and it's on bucket lists for so many woodworkers out there. So I thought rather than doing a full review of this thing, it would be better to highlight some of the main features and explain to you guys why I went with the SawStop over other saws out there. For those of you that may not already know this, the SawStop has a brake system in here below the blade. So this table saw has sensors that can detect if the blade comes in contact with flesh. The way that works is it detects the electrical current in your body, and as soon as the blade senses that your skin has come in contact with the blade, it instantly engages the brake, which stops the saw and drops the blade back down below the tabletop. There are a ton of videos out there with guys testing this by running a hot dog through the blade. I've even seen a video where the inventor of SawStop did it with his finger, and sure enough, that blade instantly retracted and he barely even had a scratch on his finger. It didn't even bleed. And that feature just by itself to me is irreplaceable. Now, in addition to SawStop's safety feature, the second reason I got this is their T-Glide fence system. This fence just slides so easy across the top of the saw, and when it locks down, it is completely secure all the way down the fence. You don't have to worry about any deflection or anything like that, like you'll see with lower quality saws. The overall quality of this thing is just tough to beat. Everything about it is super heavy duty. All the controls are nice and smooth. The fit and finish is fantastic. I love the size of it. The extra capacity that I'm going to get with this is really going to open up a lot of opportunities for me with different projects and things like that. And ultimately, I could not be happier with the SawStop. One quick note, you can see down here I do have this on the Bora mobile base. Now obviously SawStop has their own mobile bases, but just like the saw, they're very, very expensive, and I didn't see the need in spending $400 on a mobile base when I could spend $200 for the Bora. The only thing I still don't have is the extension that'll support the legs on the extension table, but I have that on the way. And I can't wait to get started using this thing. You're gonna start seeing it in all my videos going forward. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you guys think I'm crazy? Is this just overpriced? Or do you think it's worth it for the quality and the safety features? You guys let me know. If there's other saws out there that you guys like better, let us know why in the comment section below. We'd love your input. As always, guys, if you're interested in getting a SawStop for yourself, I will have a link in the description below if you want to check that out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe in the shop.